Hey everyone, enjoy the show. How you doing today? Happy Friday to you. What we have here is a 25-inch BARQ'S root beer thermometer sign. It's tin. This is coming from the San Jose collection we bought. Really a nice shape. Again, I'm trying to see what the thermometer is reading. Yeah, that's about right. It's showing about 80 degrees in here. So if you were in a BARQ'S or looking for a great thermometer sign, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the